Need a reliable, professional cleaning solution for your business? A clean, professional image makes a strong impression on customers, employees, and tenants. It's your reputation, and you deserve the best. Call Anago Cleaning Systems. Anago is more than just a cleaning service. We go to great lengths to protect and enhance the image of your business. Before any work is done, we send a representative to your facility to assess and create a customized cleaning plan tailored specifically to your needs. This way, we will know your facility inside and out. We offer a variety of commercial cleaning services for facilities of all sizes. If your business needs cleaning for 2,000 or several 100,000 square feet, we have you covered. Anago offers monthly, weekly, daily, and day porter services, along with floor care programs tailored to meet your business's needs. We even have a 2-hour guaranteed response time for emergency situations. All our professionals are bonded and insured. Call today or fill out the form on our website for your free personalized quote. Anago Cleaning Systems, service, quality, and the attention to detail you deserve.